So the secret IKEA section which I was talking about in my last video. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Isha and you're watching the craft therapy. So today we are going to talk about the secret IKEA section as I promised in my last video. So as all of you would know that I recently visited IKEA and it was my first visit and it was amazing. I've already shared all the products I bought in my IKEA haul video. I'll link it in the description box. Go check it out if you have not seen it already. And coming to this video, today we are going to talk about a secret IKEA section or hack which no one has ever mentioned. So for all those who don't know, the way IKEA stores are set up is they have two spaces. So one is called the experience center. So they have designed different rooms, like maybe 4 or 5 types of kitchen, then different versions of bedrooms and the living areas and a kids room, and they have furnished it using their own products. So this space is basically designed so that you can get styling ideas and you can see how the product will look once you've bought it and how you can style it at your home. And then comes the buying area or the product area where all the products are kept for you to pick it up. For these can be kitchen items, home organization products, then they have mattresses, pillows, beds, everything is there in a different section where you can go and buy it. So this third section which I'm going to talk to you about today is called as is. So basically as is all the products which IKEA has used to furnish the experience center comes to the as is section as is. So they are not disassembled, they are not repackaged, they just move those products from the experience center to this as is section, and you can go and buy these products as is. That is no disassembly, no repackaging, in the exact same condition like a shelving unit. If you buy it properly from the dedicated buying area, you would find it in a packaged form, in a disassembled form. But if you go to the as is section and you purchase this product, then it will already be assembled and you will have to buy it as is. They are not going to repack it for you. So this section, because the items are already being displayed in experience center for some time, so IKEA offers a huge discount on these items. Some of these items, especially the heavy items like beds, sofas, chairs, they even have discounts up to 45% and 50%. They also have dining tables, pretty wing chairs. So the reason IKEA is offering discounts on these items are that during the display, some of the items might have some scuffs, scratches or dents. Not all the items will have scratches. Because it was being displayed for some time, they might have some minor scuffs and scratches, and that is why IKEA is offering discount on that. So when we talk about these products, so these are not pre-owned items, these are not used by people, these were just put on display. It's like if we go to a boutique or a designer boutique, we find a costume, we like it, it is on display and we buy it, and we maybe we give it a wash or we wear it directly. So these are similarly the products on display are offered on discount because of the potential scratches it might have. So personally I felt the items were in very good condition, they were in excellent condition. You can definitely go and check it out and you can buy them, and some of the items were actually packed, especially in the small item section, like there were pillowcases, bed sheets, there were kitchen items, there were bowls and cups and glasses which cannot be which were not used, and they were offered at a very high, huge discount because they were being displayed. It's worth a visit. So this as a section is actually just before the billing counter. So when I reached there, we had already put all the things we wanted to buy in our shopping cart, and we were just heading towards billing, and just before billing, towards the left side, the section was there. So now, since I didn't know it, so we bought few items, I think 3 items from there. So the shelving units you saw in the IKEA haul video, the LED light and the ABC poster, that was from this section. Everything else was bought normally. But now, since you know, you can start your shopping from as is and then move on to the actual section. So when it comes to the products in the as is section, actually there were a lot of products. So I saw a lot of wardrobes, shelving units, then there were a lot of pretty mirrors, and there was a crib which even outside IKEA it's very expensive, like I think When I checked last for my son, it was some 18,000. So at IKEA, it was around 5,000, especially in as a section. And this dining table, this is a round dining table, which can be expanded to accommodate 6 people. This was 33,000 MRP, and this was slashed to 15,000. So this was a pretty good deal. And then there is this mirror which was marked down to just 2,000 rupees, and it didn't even have, like, I couldn't find any single dent or scratch or anything on its surface. It was pretty cool. So the shelving unit we bought, it was 1950, and we got it for 999 only. So I found as a section very good. So you should definitely go, and do let me know in the comment section if you do visit IKEA and you buy something as this. And this was in Bangalore IKEA. So I'm not sure if this section is available in Mumbai and Hyderabad as well. So if there are any Mumbaikas or Hyderabadis watching this video, please let me know if your IKEA also has this as a section. And if you like the content on my channel, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. So until next time, take care of yourself.